a perfect setup. I don't have any edges. My hair is sweat out. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nisha Michelle. Thank you for clicking this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and let's get into this video. If you know me, I keep my fruit on deck. Alright, this last one. So on December the 20th, I decided that I wanted to get my wig. It was a frontal wig, and it was my first frontal wig applied properly by a licensed cosmetologist to my head. And here's a picture of it right here. Yeah, it was so pretty. I was in love. It was everything I could ever imagine. But something in my head told me, Nisha, your skin is too sensitive to be getting a frontal. But no, all I saw was on Instagram, everybody getting a frontal, everybody being a baddie. Instagram, like, it got to my mind. I'm gonna be honest, that Instagram model lifestyle got to my mind and was like, Nisha, you need a frontal in order to be a baddie while you in Vegas. I was like, put it on. So it was 2 days exactly before my family traveled to Las Vegas for Christmas, and I got the frontal applied to my head, and I was in love. Like I said, it was everything I could imagine. And then within like 2 days, stuff started feeling strange. Like it would be sensitive for me to touch this area right here specifically, or this area, and this is the areas that my edges would go down the lowest. I would attach a picture right here of my edges prior to this installation. And something kept telling me, something was like, Nisha, something is wrong. Take this thing out. I don't know what took me so long to get that frontal out of my head, but I didn't take it down until January the 2nd. January the 2nd. So I was just like, you know, I'm tired of this. I'm tired of this. This junk is irritating. It was so irritating, y'all. Oh my goodness. I made it to my apartment. I found all the alcohol swabs / wipes that I had in my apartment, because you know I'm a nursing maid, so I keep them in my bag and in my pockets. And I was researching just the proper ways to take off a frontal, and every way said, you know, wipe with alcohol. So I was wiping. I swear to you not, it took me 20 minutes just to get the extra frontal off of my forehead, because it was actually attached to my edges. Whew. Anyways, I finally got the actual wig off of my head, and what I saw from there was disgusting. Okay, I mean disgusting. Oops. I'm so upset because I let this happen to me. It didn't have to happen, but you know, I fell for that weave makes you look beautiful, or this is the trend, do this way. Anyways, oh my goodness, I had literally pieces of glue stuck in my edges. Keep in mind, I cut my hair 2 years off to start my hair journey. So I take pride in my hair. I take pride in my hair. And for me to see that was devastating. But I love my hair too much. But yeah, so like, I was just so heartbroken that I didn't even take out my braids. Like the actual wig braids that was in my head after that, because I didn't want to face a thin hairline with a thick crown. And I mean, I'm not going to say that your edge is the most important part, but when people look at your hair, your edge is the first thing that they will see, besides your length, your edges. So from that day on, which was January the 2nd, all the way to February the 15th, I wore my wig braids, and the wig braids was applied December the 20th. So let's say from December the 20th to February the 15th, that's almost 2 months. I wore my wig braids because I just my mindset was, Nisha, grow your edges a little bit and go to a stylist and let them treat your hair. So I just, until my appointment, which was February the 15th, I constantly applied black castor oil to my edges every night. Sometimes I skip the night, I ain't gonna lie, but mostly every night. And I can honestly say I saw slowly saw my edges grow back. But yeah, like I was just so discouraged and sad. I almost got depressed over it. I know y'all like there's nothing to get depressed over. I was almost depressed because of that situation, because like I truly like I was just so hurt because all that time I took to grow my hair, and for something like this, for a wig glue, trying to have a frontal to take it out. But yeah, so on February the 15th, I had my hair appointment, yeah, for this. And my stylist, this is my first time going to her. I was just having all kind of problems because the hairstylist I normally go to, she was in the hospital. So I had to search. And I finally found a bomb naturalist, that's what she called herself, who killed my hair, okay? Don't look at the puffiness. This is because it's been raining 2 days straight, and I've been outside both days of this rain, and I've been sweating. Anyway, she did all kind of special things to my hair, y'all, that I needed, and I knew I couldn't do it to myself. And I got an inch cut off. And like, the main thing that I got from that experience, I would say, just to love yourself and don't follow the trends all the time. There's nothing wrong with wearing your hair, or just stand to what you know. And just knowing that you don't have to follow those trends in order to be considered beautiful or bad or pretty, because that's what I was just like, I'm gonna get this frontal so that I could be a baddie while I'm in babe. I would have been just as bad if I didn't get the wig and I would still have my edges. But let me show y'all a close-up view of my actual edges. They're trying to grow back. I wish y'all could have saw them when this first happened. And let me show y'all. Let me check, I guess. Pick it up on the bed, something like that, so y'all can see it a little better. And yeah, thank you for tuning in and watching this video. But yeah, I hope you learned that frontals are not for everybody, especially if you have a low hairline, okay? Bye.